हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जस्ट कोडेड विद सार्थक। आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है अबाउट गैजेट्स, और आई वुड से स्पेसिफिकली फॉर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स कौन से ऐसे गैजेट्स हैं दैट विल हेल्प यू ऑप्टिमाइज योर वर्कलोड, दैट विल हेल्प यू वर्क इन अ वेरी स्मूथ वे। अगर आप नए नए फ्रेशर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं, यू माइट बी लुकिंग फॉर अ लैपटॉप। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लैपटॉप इज मोर सूटेबल टू यू, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्कलोड कैन बी हैंडल्ड इन what way. So हम उसके बारे में डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे. So before starting with the video, let's thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? Newton School एक edtech startup है जहाँ पे you can learn more about different technologies out there. They will help you get job offer from these top tech companies. एंड उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. They have very good offerings with this course. Live classes, industrial projects, mock interviews, and personal mentoring. I will put the link in the description, and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their courses. So guys, laptops or gadgets, what are those gadgets and how to use them in the best way. So for example, I will start with the laptop first because that is the most important gadget or tool that you need to work or to learn everything. So for a college student, I would highly recommend ki it should be, if you are looking, I am specifically dividing it into two segments. So first is related to light and beginner work for both Windows and Mac, and then we will go in further beyond with the help with the work that you might need. So for example, for a beginner laptop for a student, I would highly recommend i5 for a 10th or 11th generation. It can be of 8th generation as well. There is no like how it should be above 8th generation. Second thing, it should be it should have at least 8 gigs of RAM so that your all the processes run in a very smooth way. जितना ज़्यादा RAM होगा उतना अच्छा है, but 8 gigs is minimum what I would recommend. तो 8 GB RAM से आपकी प्रोसेस स्मूथली रन करेंगे, आप चीज़ ऑप्टिमाइज रहेंगी. थर्ड थिंग इज इट शुड हैव इनफ स्टोरेज. तो it could be something around 128 GB to 256 GB, but it should be an SSD. Why I am recommend SSD? क्योंकि SSD काफ़ी फास्ट है, आप इससे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें बहुत ईजीली स्मूथली कर सकते हैं. इट वुड बी अ गुड होलसम एक्सपीरियंस, एंड आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड यू टू गो ओवर हार्ड डिस्क, क्योंकि हार्ड डिस्क तो आप एक्सटर्नली भी बाय कर सकते हैं. 1 TB 2 TB बहुत चीप पड़ेगा. वाई टू लाइक स्टोर दैट गेट दैट एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेज ऑन लैपटॉप? इज लाइक देयर इज नो use for the college student. I would say to have a 1 TB hard disk in laptop. It will unnecessarily increase the weight. And why weight? I would recommend you guys to have a light laptop, as light as possible, because आपको कॉलेज में कैरी करना है, आपको हर जगह कैरी करना है, आप बाय हैंड उसको यूज़ करना चाहते हो, तो अल्ट्रा बुक टाइप की लाइट बुक जो होती है दैट आर वेरी सूटेबल फॉर यू. तो the basic laptop that I purchased in my college was Dell Inspiron 5370. It was around 1.3 kgs. So it was like a Mac copy version for Windows. काफ़ी लाइट था, उसमें सारे IO पोर्ट्स थे, टाइप सी, इट हैज़ टाइप सी चार्जिंग, उसमें फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर था, इट वाज गुड ट्रैक पैड एंड गुड कीबोर्ड एंड ऑल्सो गुड स्क्रीन. इट वाज अ फुल HD स्क्रीन with like optimum brightness. So you can keep these things in mind while purchasing a laptop. I would recommend like hard disk is not required, SSD is sufficient, CD DVD writer is not required, कोई भी आज के टाइम पे यूज़ नहीं करता है. But to be futuristic, you should have at least one Type C port and one USB 3 port as well as one HDMI port, क्योंकि आप HDMI से बार बार कनेक्ट करने वाले होंगे कॉलेज में प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए, अपने मॉनिटर से कनेक्ट करने के लिए वर्क पे, घर पे, एंड सो एंड सो फोर्थ. सो फॉर दैट आई वुड रिकमेंड अ गुड इनफ लैपटॉप ऑफ दैट काइंड. On the Mac side, there is a Mac counterpart, MacBook Air, which is a basic laptop जो आपकी सारी needs को करता है. I would say base variant is the perfect variant for you guys if you are a beginner and you have like a good source of income that you can spend. Then MacBook is the right way, because as a software developer, people have seen that it is way efficient to work on a MacBook as compared to any Windows machine. आपको फुल पावर मिलता है, बैटरी लाइफ अच्छी मिलती है, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन मिलते हैं, एंड यू हैव गुड क्विक सॉफ्टवेयर सपोर्ट एज वेल. तो for any college student who have that kind of amount or that kind of income that can support that, please go and purchase a MacBook. So that I did not have that in my college time, but anyway, if you have that, please go. It is a good one-time investment that will help you excel in longer terms. I have seen people do good enough coding and get their work done, get their things done very fast. Windows laptops generally काफ़ी heavy होते हैं. उनकी बैटरी लाइफ अच्छी नहीं होती है, दे आर नॉट गुड विद द परफॉर्मेंस एंड ऑप्टिमाइजेशंस एज कम्पेयर टू मैकबुक. ऑफ कोर्स दे आर एक्सपेंसिव, सो दीज आर द पर्क्स. ऑल्सो एक बहुत ही बड़ा क्वेश्चन आता है जीपीयू. सो फॉर पीपल हु आर लुकिंग टू बाय अ गेमिंग लैपटॉप, उनके लिए जीपीयू इंपॉर्टेंट है. एज अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड टू हैव अ डेडिकेटेड जीपीयू. इंटीग्रेटेड जीपीयू इज सफिशिएंट. I have been recording and editing videos on integrated GPUs itself, so my laptop did not have that dedicated GPU at that time, and it is not required until unless you are heavily going towards machine learning or something like that. Even in that case, I would recommend to go for a cloud service like Google Tensor, where you can train the models online instead of working on your own system. But overall, I would recommend go for a lighter laptop with a fast charging and a good enough battery and optimized scale. So anything above i5 8th generation is good for you. Moving on to the heavy usage. अगर आपका heavy usage है, if you are running multiple servers, like आप थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर में है, आपको वेब डेवलपमेंट अच्छा आ गया है, and you are running like Android Studio जैसे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स रन कर रहे हैं, then you need a not a beginner laptop but a pro kind of laptop. In that scenarios, in Windows you need at least I would say i5 11th gen or i7 of 10 gen and above, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मल्टी थ्रेडिंग मल्टी सपोर्ट मिल जाता है मल्टी थ्रेडिंग का, एंड यू कैन ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर दैट. आपका CPU अच्छे से वर्क करेगा, आपका चीज़ें ऑप्टिमाइज रहेंगी. सेकेंड थिंग आई वुड रिकमेंड एटलीस्ट 16 gigs ऑफ रैम, क्योंकि आप एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो चलाना चाहते हैं, आप बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स चलाना चाहते हैं, तो यू नीड एटलीस्ट 16 gigs ऑफ रैम. 32 would be an overkill, but get a 16 gig version and have a dedicated extra slot available for expansion. So for example, मैंने जो अपना बिगिनर लैपटॉप लिया था उसमें 8 GB था, फिर मैंने बाद में एक्सटेंड करके 16 GB बना लिया. तो easily you can buy a RAM and extend that slot. So have a good laptop with an extendable RAM slot. Third thing is I would recommend good enough battery and charging speeds, क्योंकि आपको लैपटॉप रन करने का लंबे टाइम के लिए उस पर सर्वर रन कर रखना है, तो एक घंटे में बंद होने लगेगा, कोई फायदा नहीं है. तो यू नीड एटलीस्ट दैट कुड रन फॉर 6-8 hours and beyond that. So you need a laptop of that kind. Third part comes in the form of IO ports. उसमें सारे होने चाहिए. View is full HD is a decent one. Anything above that would be an extra added advantage. इससे ऊपर आपको नहीं चाहिए होगा. This is a basic laptop that this is a bare minimum laptop if you are in a third, fourth year going for internships, going for projects, heavy duty work. So that is for the Mac side. I would recommend MacBook Air, the current 2020 M1 chip version is sufficient for all these tasks. But still, if you have that kind of income, if you have that kind of workload, you can go for MacBook Pro base variant. It is sufficient for all kinds of tasks. MacBook 2020 version, because MacBook Pro M1 has all that capabilities for a college student that can handle any task that you throw at them. So you can either go for that. Lastly, if you are looking for ML side, you can go for some dedicated gaming laptops. काफ़ी heavy होते हैं and काफ़ी heavy duty में graphic cards होते हैं dedicated NVIDIA और AMD के. So you can go for MSI or you can go for Lenovo Legion series or Asus के ROG series that are dedicated graphic cards, and it can support something like आपका अगर AutoCAD पे वर्क है, मैकेनिकल में है, और इट इज लाइक ग्राफिक एडिटिंग और वीडियो एडिटिंग का वर्क है, इट कुड सपोर्ट समथिंग लाइक हेवी रेंडर्स, मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल ट्रेनिंग और लाइक हैवी गेमिंग एज वेल. सो अगर आप गेमिंग वाले पर्सन हैं एंड गेम डेवलपमेंट करते हैं, इट कुड बी एन हेल्पफुल डिवाइस फॉर यू एज वेल. सो दैट्स दैट. These are the basic laptop that I will recommend. इसके अलावा what I would say, you should have at least one HDMI cable, one OTG, क्योंकि आपके Type C और USB का काफ़ी यूसेज होता है, तो you should have at least one OTG and a good pair of headphones or earphones, so that अगर आपको चीज़ों को ऑप्टिमाइज करना है, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग्स करना है, आपको मीटिंग्स अटेंड करना है, if you have to attend video classes, it should be if you can have this wonderful pair of set, because generally speaker इतने अच्छे होते नहीं हैं लैपटॉप्स के. They do not have good mics, so it would be have to save that income and use it for a good I would say headphone or earphone, wireless or wired as per your preferences, right? That's that. इसके अलावा you don't need anything much than that, but it's good to have that multiple like HDMI cable and all that support for you guys. किसी को होता है कि they need a proper dedicated mouse, but in a software engineering I would not recommend to have a mouse unless if you are a video editor, a graphic editor or a designer kind of person. You should not spend money on a mouse or wireless mouse. Also for wireless keyboard, it helps get a lot of things like आप खरीद सकते हैं if you have that kind of income कि I want to keep my laptop at a distance place and I can write the code at my own sitting place. So उसके बीच में distance रखने के लिए you can have a wireless keyboard. But generally keyboard आजकल laptops के साथ अच्छे आते हैं, so you don't want to spend that much on that. So with this I think you might have got the right set of ideas. I can easily recommend Dell Key Inspiron is a beginner series, Dell Ka XPS is a pro level series, and you can go for HP. HP has NV series, which are beginner level. Asus has IdeaPads, which are good enough for you guys, and there are also a lot of laptops from Acer, Asus, and other companies that are bringing some innovations in that. So you can always check out them. Do a good comparison. In Delhi, you can always go for offline to get a good price, or you can look out for sales during Amazon, Flipkart sales to purchase online. So that's it. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा. If you like this video, please share it with your guys who are trying to get a new gadget for themselves. Try to optimize for your workload and buy a gadget that is more relevant what kind of work you are going to do. Don't go for overkill devices. That is my last advice on that. And with this, I come to the end of the video. Please share it with your friends and like this video as much as you can. So with this, I take leave. Bye bye. See you in the next video.